Happy Earth Day, or a day or two late. I'm not sure when you'll get my video, or you'll get it in the next few days. I thought we could do another STEAM art project this week, all about recycling. I thought it would be fun to, if you could, have a kind of scavenger hunt in your house and look for things that can be recycled or reused. And what I found in my house was an empty box of tissues. We can use this. And empty box of fruit snacks. We can always use this. And an empty pouch of fruit snacks. Obviously, I ate those right before this. Some popsicle sticks I found. Some corks. I found some corks. Some bottle caps I found. Those are really shiny and cool. Some buttons. And a bottle top. I probably have a bunch of those. And I also found some ribbon and a feather. I thought I could always use those two things. And paper towel rolls, a yogurt cup, a soup can, and a plastic bottle. Now, while these last items I'm not going to use for my robot, I just wanted you to see the items that we can recycle as opposed to the things we can't recycle. Aluminum cans, soda cans, soup cans, cans of vegetables and fruits can always be recycled. Yogurt cups, this plastic, can always be recycled. Plastic bottles can always be recycled. Glass bottles can always be recycled. Cardboard can always be recycled. Some things that can't be recycled are banana peels, eggshells, paper plates really can't be recycled. That's why we try to always use regular dishes so we don't use too many paper items. Anyways, so once you search your house for some recycled materials that you could use to build your recycled robot, you can come back and we'll get started. I think I'm going to start with my empty fruit snack box that I ripped in half. I actually think we used half of this for another project, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to use some markers. You can use crayons or Cray-Pas. And I'm going to draw my body. So, what kind of robot do I want? Do I want a circle robot or a square robot? I think I'm going to do something different and go with the circle robot. Why not, right? You draw a big circle. And now, with the help of your parents or an older sibling or somebody in your house that can help you cut, you can get your scissors and carefully cut along your shape for your body. Now, what else will my robot need? I guess my robot will need a head. Is there anything around here I can use for a head? Let's see, let's put this stuff aside. I think maybe I will cut my toilet paper roll in half and unroll it, and it makes a bigger piece. I kind of like how it has this shape to it though, so I'm trying to think of how can I use this shape for my head. I think I can go like this, maybe like this, maybe like this. Oh, this is kind of cool. I think I like that. Alright, so I'm going to get some glue and get some tape. I'm going to need tape, which I didn't bring over, so I'll be right back. And the tape that I forgot. Some tape. I'm going to use my tape. I'm going to glue it first, and then I can take my tape off later. head. Now, for the arms and the legs, I could use the rest of my cardboard box, but maybe I'll take a popsicle stick and cut it in half, and those can be 2 arms. Maybe I'll decorate them a little bit. Put some orange stripes on them, give it some color. That'll be fun. Oh yeah. Ooh. Some striped arms. I'll glue those down. I'll just put a piece of tape down just to keep it there for now while I'm building. See some cool things happening now. Now for his legs. Maybe I'll use the other toilet paper roll that I have. I have a lot of those these days. And cut it in half again. But make 2 pieces instead of 1 piece. I have to cut it twice. And then maybe I will put his legs this way. Yeah, I think I will. Oh, you know what I also like to reuse that I forgot to talk about? I also like to reuse any old paintings or artwork I might have made that I don't necessarily want to save, but I just made it because I really liked it. So here is a painting that Grace made a while ago, and she doesn't really want to save it anymore. So I make a little pile, and then I try to find ways of reusing our old paintings and our old artwork. Sometimes I'll cut them up and make a card for a family member for the birthday or a holiday. But I thought that this would be a good way to reuse this to add some color to my recycled robot instead of just coloring on it. I mean, you can just color on it too, but if you have any old artwork laying around that you don't want to save, then you can cut it up and reuse it. It's always fun. I think maybe I'll make some buttons. Because robots have buttons and gears, right? Buttons. Maybe I'll just make rectangle ones. Now, after you have your body, your head, your arms, and your legs down, you can decorate your robot however way you want to with your recycled materials, with your markers or crayons. I think with these pieces, I think I'm going to put them on his head because they're pretty interesting looking, aren't they? Let's see. Maybe he has 4 eyes. Maybe he has only 1 eye. I don't know. What's going on with it? Piece of tape to stay down. More glue. This guy's looking really interesting. What are other things that we can recycle? Well, you know those plastic bags that you get from the grocery store? We can't really recycle them at home, but you can collect them and bring them back to the grocery store, and the grocery stores typically have a box that you can put plastic bags in, and then they recycle them. So there's always that, and then... Oh, this guy's looking pretty cool, look at that! Oh, his leg fell off. That's okay, I'll retape it. Oh, look. Oh. Yeah, it's starting to look pretty interesting. Let's take that leg down. And of course, since we're using glue, you will have to let your robot sit and dry for a little bit before displaying him. As you can see, Your parts will fall off. That's okay. It just needs a little bit of time to dry. I have some buttons here. I think I'm going to add buttons to his legs. Well, I hope everybody is enjoying their time at home and everybody's healthy and safe and you're able to go outside and get some fresh air when it's nice out. It hasn't been too nice lately. It's been really cold too, but soon it will be so nice out. But I miss everybody terribly, and I hope that you can send me some pictures of your awesome robots, and I will send another lesson next week. Okay, take care. Bye.